Hello everyone, my name is Lee Ching Accurso. Welcome to Art 14, Art Appreciation. In this video, I'm going to show you an overview of what I have learned in the course and what changes and enhancements that I have made for this course. First of all is the headings. Right here, the learning objectives and activities. I think in the beginning, before this class, I had it in paragraph form, which was incorrect. So I've changed it to header 2. And also, I had it underlined, which Kim told me that unless it's a link, we do not want to underline it. So I changed it to header 2 and make it a larger font. That was also Kim's suggestion. So now my header 2 is number 14 font. Paragraphs are number 12. Header 2, they are bold, as you can see, and they are not underlined. Also, I thought I would try the color on the background. So I choose this light blue, and I end up liking it a lot. So I now use it not only in Art 14, in every weekly module, and also my other 2 classes, Art 12, History of Western Art from Renaissance to Modern, and also Art 21, Painting class. And then another changes, editing that I have made is, actually maybe it's more of an enhancement. This painting, it was not here before. And when we had one assignment that we need to insert a picture to learn about the alt tag, I figure I'll just try it. And for especially an art appreciation class, I thought it's actually good for students to see more paintings, more of these masterworks. So this is a painting called The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. And I have made the proper alt tag for it. So I think this enhanced this lesson plan looking more interesting. So I have it all in the different weekly modules, which has 15, 16 weeks. So each week has an interesting, beautiful painting for students to enjoy. And then on my activities, here on number 1, start here. There are 3 activities that they need to do. And of course, this was a thing I learned in this class. The docx should be separate and not be a link. So I have changed that. And then here, these scavenger hunt is an assignment that students gonna learn to identify some paintings, a multiple choice assignment. And then I have introduced yourself discussion board. And then further down, you see that I have these short videos for students to look at after they've done their reading and work on the first assignment. And before, I just had it, watch these videos. And Kim suggests that in our face-to-face class, we don't just go in and start playing a video, but have a simple sentence or 2 to tell students why we're looking at these videos. So I have made that change. So the one thing that I think for the universal design technique that I found most interesting is the accessibility checker. You know, this person here, I don't think normally I would have learned to do that before this class. So it's just so satisfying, you know, clicking it and you see it says no accessibility issues were detected. So that's awesome. So thank you for visiting my class. And I hope you also, like me, have learned a lot and have a great rest of the summer. Goodbye.